Welcome to SparkMap. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a community needs assessment for a custom location using the Pick from Map tool. This tool is available to premium SparkMap subscribers. Not a premium subscriber? Learn more at www.sparkmap.org/pricing. The SparkMap Pick from Map tool has 3 steps. First, you enter a starter location. Second, you choose your geography type, and then finally, you select your areas of interest. To access the Pick from Map tool, first ensure you are logged in to your premium SparkMap account. Then, navigate to the Community Needs Assessment. Under the Location tab, select the Pick from Map button. A pop-up and map will now appear on your screen. We'll get started by entering a location, such as a state, county, or town, into the search bar. For example, if I know I want to create a community needs assessment for an area in Boone County, Missouri, I can search Boone County, and that area will appear on my map. Adjust your map view by zooming in using your mouse or using the plus and minus buttons on the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, click the Select a Geography Type drop-down at the top left corner of your screen. Pick your geography type of interest from the drop-down menu. For our example, I will select elementary school districts. Now, click the map to select your specific school districts of interest. You can select up to 15 areas. As you select your areas, a list will begin to form in the top left-hand corner of your screen. To delete any of your selected areas, simply click the X beside its name. When you have finished selecting your custom location, click the Data Indicators button at the bottom right corner of the screen to move to the next step of the Community Needs Assessment. Now we will select our indicators of interest, and then select the Report button to generate our final report. Your report will provide data for your selected area and for the county and state into which it falls. If you have any questions about the Pick from Map tool or the Community Needs Assessment, please contact us at sparkmap@missouri.edu.